Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Aaron Dixon with Tampa Back Pain Relief Chiropractic. I want to talk about a common concern or issue that our new patients might have when they come and see us, and that is they're worried about getting their neck cracked or popped, all right? This is a common concern, and I totally understand that people would have that. So to make you feel more comfortable, we do a full exam, history, and really kind of determine if it is safe for you. And most of the time it is. Now, even if you don't want that, if you're absolutely against it, but you want to get your neck feeling better, there are other ways that I can treat your neck pain without actually having to pop it or crack it. So come on in, we can go over all the different options and come up with the best plan for you. So don't be concerned, I can help you with all of your neck pain and your headache needs. All right, take care. Bye-bye.